Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. Today we're in the shop. It's going to be a fabrication video. We're going to make, I don't know what they're called, like a fireplace gate. You know, the thing that keeps small children and animals away from your fireplace. The reason I have to buy mine is, as you're going to see in a second, my insert actually sits up on a ledge. You guys can see that. And I kind of need it to tuck to the wall, then come out, and then go down to the floor. They don't really make one of those commercially available, and it probably wouldn't work for me anyway, so we're gonna make one ourselves. To give you an idea of what I'm talking about, we've got this square here that'll sit in front, and then these two wings will come out. You know, obviously this wing will be attached on this side, this wing will be attached on this side, and those are just some rough measurements that we're gonna try to go off of. Like I said, we're in the shop. I got the welder behind me. Down here, I got the cutoff chop saw that George let me borrow. And down here, we got a bunch of steel. Now, I bought this steel secondhand. There's a limited amount of it. I'm sure I could go buy another 20-foot stick. But we're going to try to use what I have and make it work. The first thing I need to do is make the front square. That is going to be, what would you say, parallel with the face of the stove. And then once we make that, we can go back inside, take some measurements on what our wings are going to be. Now, I do have some hinges, so we're gonna make those wings hingeable so they can move, but we'll get right into it, make the square. All right, so with those two at 30, if we wanna make 30 inches on the other side, we need to subtract 3 inches, so we need 27. Each of these need to be 27. So this should measure roughly 30 by 30, if I did my math right. 30. Oh, sure. Yeah, well, we know this is 30. All right. We're in good shape. All right, fire up the welder and tack it up. So for this, we're using my ESAB MIGmaster 350. 250. ESAB MIGmaster 250. See if we can get this thing to weld up. Now, by no means am I a welder by trade, so I don't have nice welding squares. We're just gonna have to go ahead and use this. Which is a square, right? So shouldn't matter. Let's see how we did on being a square. Oh yeah, not bad for a carpenter's square. I'll take that. Yeah, sure. All right, I'm gonna go take this in the house, set it up in front of the fireplace, and then see if I can get some wing measurements off of it. So I just did a test fit, as you can see in this picture, and it fit pretty well. So we're going to fully weld this thing, get it ready to rock and roll. All right, so I'm back from the metal shop. It's actually like a day later, and it's also like 11 p.m., but I'm out here in the shop working because this is the only time I get to work. So I have the expanded metal, and I got it cut to size, so I'll show you what it looks like. Not terrible looking, and it'll certainly keep you away from the fireplace. So now I just need to take the welder and pretty much tack every single spot. So every spot needs a tack there. It's gonna be super tedious, and honestly, I don't know how well it's gonna go, but we're gonna find out together. So I'm gonna get things squared up to where it needs to sit, and we'll start tacking away. So there it is, all painted up, ready to rock and roll. Now, the only thing we have left to do is take it in the house and attach it. Oh, it's not painted all up. How did I miss that? All right, I guess we're not gonna take it in the house just, oh man, I missed another one. How's that even possible? Guess I'm gonna paint those quick and then we'll take it in the house and attach it. So, I don't know, maybe tonight or something. I was so excited, I thought I was done. Hey! Yay! Baby proof. What? What's wrong, Bugaboos? So the fireplace gate is done. I'm super happy with the results. You guys saw it there. It works really well. Overall, pretty happy with the results. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've impressed myself. So, if you guys are interested in more fabricating videos, winter is here. We're gonna be spending some more time in the shop. Make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss out what I'm gonna be up to this winter. Hit that like button while you're here. Appreciate every single one of you, and I hope you have a great day.